Chemistry, this is another sample problem for Chapter 7, Section 3. We're here to calculate the formula mass for calcium nitrate, that's CaNO3 quantity 2. Again, the system that I'm going to use here is a 5-step system that is referred to in the video lecture. I'm not going to write that out here, I'm just going to use it, so please have your note packet out as you follow along. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to identify which elements are present in this substance. There is calcium, there's nitrogen, and there's oxygen. Next step is I'm going to use my periodic table to identify the average atomic mass of all of these elements. So calcium is 40.08, nitrogen is 14.007, and then oxygen is 16.00. Next step, I need to take into consideration how many of each of these elements are present and multiply that out. So I have 1 calcium. I have 2 nitrogens because there are 2 nitrate polyatomic ions. There are 2 of them indicated here. Each one has 1 nitrogen. There's 2 of them total, so I'll actually have 2 nitrogen atoms. And then overall, I actually have 6 oxygen atoms because, again, each nitrate has 3 oxygens and there are 2 nitrates present. And now that I have those values written down, I'll actually carry out the multiplication. I have 40.08, I'll have 28.014, and then, let's see, I'll use my calculator for this one, 96.00. Next step, I'm going to add all of these values together. So I have 40.08 plus 28.014 plus 96.00, and I will read my calculator off as 164.094, and you'll be tempted to slap an AMU on there and call it good, but we have not considered the appropriate number of significant figures yet. We multiplied over here, and that's a different set of significant figure rules. Our last function right here is addition, and that has a certain set of significant figure rules in which we have to consider the number of decimal places past the decimal are present. So here I have 2 digits past the decimal, here I have 3 digits past the decimal, and here I have 2 digits past the decimal. I need to identify which of these values has the fewest number of digits beyond the decimal. It would be the first and the third values, each with 2. Therefore, my answer must have 2 digits beyond the decimal. And so I need to round to this place. So my actual answer as I record it will be 164.09 because this 4 told me to not round up, to keep the 9 the same. AMU because AMU is the appropriate unit for formula mass.